What's up everybody, thanks for joining me again on another video, and today I'll be going to get some brand new shoes on my bike, and when I say shoes I mean tires. So just a little rundown, the front tire that's on the bike has been the tire that came with the bike since I bought it in 2018. So I've had that tire for around 2 years now. The back tire, I've changed the back tire in the same year that I bought the bike in 2018. I changed it in either June or July, one of those months. So the back tire has been changed, but the front tire has never been changed. So you must be wondering, how come my tires last that long? Well, since I bought the bike in 2018, I was working, so I used to commute to work daily. Right, and that was like, let's say, an hour journey to and an hour journey back. And since 2019 I stopped working and I started attending school, college. So I live like 5 minutes away from school, and I don't really do a lot of riding in the town, and I don't really do a lot of leisure riding, you know. It's basically to school and back, and I will go into the town, buy something and go back home. That's basically it.
We got it. We're going to try to blow up this thing. That's when that move on. Hey, I'm going to feel it, brother. You tap out your phone. Bring up, bro. What's that one? Yeah, what's that one? Yo. I don't know, man. I was just like. Get on the bike. What's the bike? Put it on, bro. The bike can have a little image still. Yeah, man. Both people are there. Boom, man. Boom, you show front tire. You must nick a part to the same thing on this brad. Look, the brad they can fit in. Yeah. Not they can fit in on the bus. Get that easy. I'm gonna just start that one.
Caliper them. No man, you can't stay on, man.
You know people are use this one because what the easier we just pull off one, man. And go with you.
If you want to do that, then take your time with it. Because it's sitting there broke, you know. Yeah.
Joking at the sounds bitch.
Jamaican Facebook hero.
Are you? Are you named Facebook hero?
One of them.
The bike one.
Big bike. Can't put a man in the video unless the man say yeah. You see me?
That is the man saying your image. Look here, sir. Jesse Ryan.
Y'all know the next thing to do is to buy a car. Oh my god, this is for $430. That Acura is for $590. Fire City Sound. License plate upon this, so I guess this is a driving car or they might transfer the plate along with it.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
Mama, Garrett is making beats again.
Alright guys, so I am home and as you can see, finally got some new shoes. Just a walk around. Yeah, new shoes looking nice. Yep, front and back.